25 years. That's a long time in property and life in general. But that's how long the rental contracts can be with social housing investments from Elite Realty Invest. You see, the need for this type of property isn't going away, and there's a real shortage of quality supply. So the government is taking out long-term contracts with specialist housing associations to make sure they can provide enough homes for the local councils who place tenants with them. Investors get a fully refurbished apartment that meets all the regulatory requirements and has a tenant already in place. The government is effectively funding a rental return of 10% net or higher with regular inflation-linked increases, no void periods, and no maintenance costs. You can invest as little as £150,000, start earning from day one, and sell at any time. If that sounds like something you'd like to explore further, let us know, and we'll follow up with more information.